Hello my friends, I want to show you the dried result of the video you're about to watch, and even though it features quite a bit of pink, I'm pretty pleased with it. I think it's got some interesting effects, and I have put a couple coats of varnish on it. I used triple thick but watered down because I find if I use it straight from the bottle it's very streaky and hard to apply evenly, so I water it down about 50-50 or maybe 75-25, and then circular motion with a t-shirt and no brush strokes that way, and I'm pretty happy with it. So let's get to the making of this. Okay, my friends, I'm back already. If you saw my last video, the 12 by 36, I had mixed up too much paint. I had poured 5 cups and I only needed 4, so I'm just going to use this last one on this 12 by 12, and here we go. A lot of pink. I'm so glad I didn't use this one on my big painting because I'm not a fan of pink, and when I stretch this out there's going to be quite a bit on there. Oops, and now I dribbled twice. Oh well. Okay. I like that part. Of course, it's on the edge. Oh, well. That's really pretty in there. Oh, pink, pink. Yuck. Maybe I can run... There we go. Run that big part of it off. I mean, I don't mind a little bit, but just as an accent is okay. Okay, now I love this right here. I'm going to try to preserve a lot of that. Bring it back. Of course, that other corner that I'm about to cover is quite pretty too. Oh my gosh, I've got a big, I have a big shape here I don't like. That's going to have to go away. And there's a bug flying around here. I know it's going to end up in my painting. Let me squash it up. Oh, don't. It's going over near my big painting, which is drying on the floor. Oh, yeah. That has got to go away. So let me find the way to the paint. And send it right off the side. Thank goodness it wasn't smack dab in the middle, which does often happen. Goodbye. Cool. All right. It's kind of pretty, kind of wonderful. But I have too much paint on the surface. I've got to pour a little more off. That was nearly 9 ounces of paint. That's a lot for a 12 by 12. You don't need that much, but that's what I had. This is the canvas I had. Wow, that's pretty. I gotta say, I rather like this. I don't know what orientation, maybe the one you're looking at now. Even with the pink, I think it's quite pretty. Let's take a closer look. I think I could do just straight pours the rest of my pouring career and be very happy with it, because you just get some fascinating shapes and effects. Yeah, pretty. Look at that. I like it. I hope you do too, my friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time.